When you're considering CloudDesk for your help desk software needs, there are a few things you should know before making your final decision. In this video, we'll go through 12 key points you need to consider so you can decide if CloudDesk is the right choice for you, especially when compared to other solutions like Zendesk or Freshdesk. First off, CloudDesk provides a comprehensive ticketing system that lets your team manage and respond to customer inquiries seamlessly. Compared to competitors, it offers a more user-friendly interface with intuitive features, which means you won't need much training to get started. Next, one of its standout features is the automation tools. CloudDesk includes automated workflows that can save time by automatically assigning tickets and triggering responses based on customer queries. While platforms like Freshdesk also offer automation, CloudDesk's workflows are simpler to customize for businesses that want efficiency without complex setups. The third thing to consider is its multi-channel support. CloudDesk allows you to manage inquiries from email, chat, and social media all in one place. This is a big advantage over other platforms like Zendesk, which requires additional integrations to manage social media conversations. Next thing you need to know is its reporting and analytics. CloudDesk provides real-time data on team performance, ticket resolution time, and customer satisfaction scores. While Zendesk also provides detailed reports, CloudDesk offers more accessible dashboards that are better suited for small to medium businesses. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the knowledge base. CloudDesk offers a robust self-service option for customers, allowing them to find answers without needing to submit a ticket. This helps reduce the number of support requests and gives users an experience similar to what you'd get from Freshdesk's Help Center. The sixth point is customization. CloudDesk provides plenty of options to tailor your support experience, from customizing ticket fields to adding company logos and branding. However, it doesn't have quite the same level of deep customization as Zendesk, which can be a downside for companies with more complex needs. Next up is scalability. While CloudDesk works well for small to medium businesses, it may struggle with the needs of larger enterprises. If you're running a massive support team, you might find that other platforms like Zendesk are better equipped to scale with your growth. The eighth thing you should know is about integrations. CloudDesk supports common integrations with tools like CRM software and e-commerce platforms. However, if you're looking for a wide array of third-party app integrations, CloudDesk may not offer as many as Zendesk, which has a large integration marketplace. The ninth point is the customer support itself. CloudDesk offers 24/7 support through multiple channels, but many users report faster response times with competitors like Freshdesk. CloudDesk is reliable, but doesn't quite match the speed of others. The 10th feature worth noting is pricing. CloudDesk is competitive in price, especially for small businesses, and its transparent pricing structure makes it easy to understand exactly what you're getting. But if you're comparing it to Zendesk or Freshdesk, you might find that CloudDesk lacks some advanced features unless you're willing to upgrade to a higher tier plan. The 11th thing is security. CloudDesk offers standard security features such as encryption and secure logins. While this is sufficient for most businesses, it doesn't quite offer the same level of advanced security as Zendesk, which has a dedicated enterprise security suite. Finally, the 12th thing to know is the user feedback. While many businesses are satisfied with CloudDesk's core functionality, some users feel that there are some missing features compared to more established solutions like Zendesk. It's a solid option for smaller businesses, but may not have the depth needed for larger companies. CloudDesk is a great option for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective help desk solution. But if you're seeking a more powerful option with advanced features and greater scalability, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.